Give me 1 minute. I'll check which question is suitable for you. Now look, what type of questions can arise? First of all, just look. Suppose E1 value is given or N value is given. N1 value is 1. Suppose N1 value is 2. You have to find out E1. You have to find out E2. Okay. Then you have to find out del E. Del E is basically higher state minus lower state. Okay. This formula is applied HC by lambda. You have to find out lambda value. Okay. After calculating daily, you have to find out lambda value. This type of questions can be arise. Okay. So giving you questions like this, and this type of question little bit calculative. You have to calculate lambda of photon emitted when electron jumps from second excited state to ground state in helium plus ion. Okay, solve it quickly. Completed. Look, in this case, how can you solve this one? This is given for helium plus. So Z value is fixed. Okay, Z value is fixed. Electron jumps from third excited state to ground state. Third excited state means N2 value is 2 plus 1, that is 3. N1 value is 1. So you have to find del E when third to 1. Okay. When third to 1, basically the energy gap between these two we can write. Third to 1 means energy gap between these two. 3 to 1 means energy gap between these two. What is the value? Just go through minus 1.5. If you calculate this one, what is the value? Minus 1.5 minus of minus 13.6. Okay, this value belongs, what is the value? I think this one is 12.1. Okay, this is the value. Now just put the value. So 12.1, and due to helium ion, Z square is involved. Okay, this is electron volt. Now just calculate 12.1. Z square helium means 2. We get 48.4 electron volt. Now you have to find out del E equals to, we can write hc by lambda. Okay, so you have to find out lambda hc by del E. H value 6.6 into 10 to the power minus 34. C is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Daily value is given 48.4, and when electron volt converted to joule, 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. So this value is basically 4, 12.1. This is nearer equals to 4, 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 into 10 to the power minus 34 plus 8 plus 19. So nearer equals to 0.25 into 27, 10 to the power minus 7. 10 to the power minus 7. That is meter. Any doubt regarding this part? This one is clear? This one is clear? Oh, sorry, this one is 10 to the power minus 16. 10 to the power minus 16 means this one 10. 10 to the power minus 10. 10 to the power minus 10. Can I write 0.25 angstrom? Because 1 angstrom equals to 10 to the power minus 10 meter. Any doubt regarding this part? Any doubt regarding this calculation? Do you have any doubt regarding this calculation? This part is clear? Okay. I am giving you similar type of question. Why I am introduced Z square? Because of helium. If this one is a hydrogen, only just 12.1 electron volt, nothing else. Okay. Now, if you have compared to helium and beryllium, then you have to go through this formula. You have to go through only this formula. This one. If suppose one is helium, another is hydrogen is given, or one is helium, another is beryllium is given, then you have to go through this formula. Okay. Try to solve this one. Calculate lambda of photon. Okay. Absorb such that much such that electron is excited to fourth excited state from ground state in hydrogen atom. Okay, solve it this one quickly. I'll give you 3 minutes for that. Completed. Okay, in this case fourth excited state to ground state hydrogen atom. So you have to find out del E4 that means energy of fourth state minus energy of ground state. Energy of fourth state is basically, if you check, fourth excited state means, sorry, n value is 5, so 5 to basically 4. What is the energy of fifth state? This value is minus 0.54, minus of minus 13.6. After calculations, minus of 13.6. After calculation, this value is basically 13.6. Just 13.6. After calculation, this is 13.06 electron volt. Okay. Now in this case, both are hydrogen atom. No multiplication of z square, because for hydrogen atom z value is 1, so z square multiplication is not required here. So del E value is, we get 13.06 electron volt. Okay, now del E equals to, can I write hc by lambda? We have to find out lambda. Lambda is hc by 13.06 electron volt. You have to convert it 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 16. Just put the h value. H value, if you put 6.6 into 10 to the power minus 34, this one c value 3 into 10 to the power 8, this one 13.06 into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 16. So when you calculate, this becomes to 2, almost 2. So 1.6 into 2, 3.2, 3.2 by 3, 3 by 3.2, this is nearer equals to almost 0.97. into 10 to the power minus 34 plus 8 plus 16. So 0.97 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter, which is equals to 0.97 angstrom. Is it clear? Any doubt regarding this part? That is end for today's class. Any doubt? Any doubt regarding calculation and other stuff? Okay. That is end for today. Tomorrow I will take class from 6:30 to 7:30. Okay. But in this area,
Okay,
basically cyclone prone area, maybe tomorrow and Thursday, maybe all the internet connection, electricity can be cannot get properly. Okay. In this area, I don't
okay,
know
sir.
if the class will possible with the help of mobile internet, then I can do. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Any doubt?
Thank you, sir. No,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Bye.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.